Hello and welcome to Kajabi in 5 minutes. I've got another great tidbit of Kajabi for you today. This one is very new, hot off the press, right out of the oven, and it's pretty darn cool. So that is neat. This one is something that I just found a couple days ago. I don't know how new it is, but it still has the little new blue bubble beside it in Kajabi, so it's got to be quite fresh. What we're talking about today is how to enable an offer so that it can be purchased as a gift. And what that does is it lets people buy things from you for other people. This is something that you've never been able to do with Kajabi before. And so that's awesome that they're introducing this. It's really easy to use, and it's really slick. They did a great job with it, in my opinion. So let's get to it. First of all, in your offer, if you've got something that you want to enable this gift purchase mode, you just need to go into settings for the offer and hit the little button or the little slider that says enable send as gift at checkout. So the settings menu is just up there right beside pricing and details and upsells. And it's just one button and then you're done. You don't have to duplicate any offers. You don't have to change or edit anything. It's just that easy. Now, you do get to do some editing if you want. You can choose a picture for people to see, basically kind of like the gift card cover, so to speak. And yeah, it's just that easy. I've got a link in the show notes if you want to go through the full help article about this and see all of the screens that people see when they receive it and all of that. So you don't have to test it out yourself. But this is how it works. When someone's at the checkout, there is a little box that says purchase as a gift. And that lets them put a name, an email to send this gift to, and a little message. And then they can schedule it to be sent right now or later, which is super convenient and helpful. I'm glad they thought of that. And basically, whoever receives it will get an email saying, you have been given this awesome gift. A little picture of what it is, a little message, and then a button that says claim my gift. They click the claim my gift, and then they are brought into your Kajabi, where they set their account up by putting their email address and a password, and then they are added in to Kajabi and given this awesome thing that somebody bought for them. So it's really great. There are some things that that you need to know. This doesn't work for everything. For instance, it does not work with ghost offers, an offer with no product in it. So there has to be a product for someone to get, and it only works with one-time payment offers. No pay what you want, no subscription or payment plan, no free, just one-time payment. And so that is also, those are basically, I guess, kind of the parameters. And it gives people the option just to go to your regular checkout page, the one that you're using for people buying for themselves. Now they can just click a little button and buy that for someone else, which is super great. And I actually, it's recording this right around Christmas now, and I bought a couple gift cards for some people. One of them I was able to schedule to be sent later, which is pretty great because I could buy it, a few weeks ago, and I've got it sent to arrive Christmas morning. But I went to buy a Starbucks gift card, and I wasn't able to schedule it. So I've got a calendar item now to being on my phone, Christmas morning, buy this gift card for someone. So hopefully I don't forget. So super glad that Kajabi put in the ability to schedule this. You can actually schedule it out, I think up to 6 months in advance. So that's pretty awesome. Anyways, this is a super cool little feature. I've got a link in the description here if you want, in the show notes, if you want to check out the help article and, see all the steps. Kajabi did a great job laying it all out in there. And yeah, check it out.